Ever wondered how to keep your plants healthy and happy? The secret might just be in the pot. Repotting is vital for plant health and growth, and today we're providing a simple step-by-step guide to do it at home. So, are you ready to give your plants a fresh new home? Let's dive into the repotting process. Knowing when to repot is crucial. So how can you tell if your plant is ready for a new pot? Look for signs like roots peeking out of the drainage hole, a plant outgrowing its home, or becoming top-heavy. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to get your hands dirty and start repotting. Now that you know when to repot, let's move on to the how. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. First things first, you'll want to choose the right pot. It should be a bit larger than the current one, but not too big. Once you've got your pot picked out, prepare it by placing a layer of pebbles or broken pottery at the bottom for drainage. Now, it's time to gently coax your plant out of its old pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. Once it's free, place it in the center of your new pot. Next, you'll want to fill in the pot with fresh soil. Make sure to press it down gently around the roots, leaving no air pockets. After that, give your plant a good drink of water to help it settle into its new home. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can give your plants the room they need to grow and thrive. Repotting might seem like a daunting task, but with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Recall the signs of needing to repot and the steps to do it. Go ahead, give your plants a fresh start. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!